Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. My name is Nur Alia Bashirah binti Muhammad Sulaimi, together with my group members Khairun Najwa binti Radin and Nur Farahin binti Mazaki. Not forget also our beloved lecturer Puan Nurul Mazlia binti Musa. Today I will present about the food ordering system via QR code at restaurant. Let's start with introduction. The food ordering system using QR code is a beneficial system towards employees and also customers. Number one, it can help the employees save their energy and time to take order from customer when they come to the restaurant. Number two, it can avoid from face-to-face conversation, which is indirectly can avoid from infected with COVID-19. Number three, employees can manage their work more efficiently without having a problem. Number four, customers can get more time to choose their menu, can directly know the price and the total. No need to wait too long for place an order. This system will display the menu, price, and quantities to be ordered. Customers just need to select the menu, choose the selection, and place their order. For the next slide is problem statement. Number one, the restaurant used an old method to take an order from the customer by writing down on a piece of paper. Number two, customer need to wait for a long period to make an order. Number three, restaurant did not have a database for a favorite menu ordered by customer. Then, let's continue to our objective of the project, which are number one, speed up the process of taking orders. Number two, to avoid being overlooked by customers who have just arrived or come to the restaurant. Number three, be able to avoid too much communication between customers due to this COVID-19 season. This is our project methodology. Waterfall model has been chosen as our methodology because the project is divided into sequential phases with some overlap and splashback acceptable between phases of planning, analysis, design, implementation, operation, and maintenance. First is planning phase, which is to identify all the problems and need of information. This will be identify the scope, plan strategies, and so on. Next is analysis phase. This phase includes some activities such as identifying and analysis all the information that has been obtained through some method, which is interview, observation, and study. All the information are documented for further reference the project development process. In this phase, we will determine the system process that will be performed by admin, customers, and staff. Then, for the design phase, we are creating the logical design and physical design. This is logical design, or we call as a concept diagram, which is we design before develop the system. The purpose of this design is to find out the relationship between the scope of the system, which is admin, staff, and customers. So let's see how the system interacts between the three scopes that mentioned earlier. Let's start with the customers. Customers can place their order, and after the order has been received in the system, they will get the receipt of the order. Next is admin. So admin can look for the sales report, also can log in into system and can view the staff info, the menus, and the entire system. The last one is staff. Staff also can log in into the system. They can add, update, delete, and view the order of customers and menu. They also can view the customer's info and look up for the service and sales record. So, the conclusion of this phase is logical design shows all the process for the entire system. For this slide is physical design. It will show the functionalities of the system in graphical user interface form. This system is developed as a web-based application so that all the interfaces are developed to fulfill the web-based requirement. Interface design should be simple and consistent because all these factors can give influence on the effectiveness of the system to interact with users. This is an example of our interface. Next, we are going to implementation design. Implementation phase develops the actual system that is related to the design phase before. The system is first developed into a small program called unit, which are integrated in the next phase. Each unit is developed and tested for its functionality, which is referred to as unit testing. When all the unit is tested, it is integrated into a full system. For the last phase is operation and maintenance. System is installed and operates to the real user significantly. Operation and maintenance correct all the errors and problems that are not found at the stage before the patches are released to fix the issues and a better version of the system is released. The maintenance is important to make sure all the errors happen will be fixed during the use of the system. This slide shows us a result of the unit testing for the system. After the system is fully developed, testing is be done by using unit testing. As you guys can see, all the features are passed and 100% agreed by the user and the system is functioning well. User acceptance test (UAT) is also conducted by giving a set of questionnaires to the real user who use the system. The questionnaire includes 17 questions, which is divided into 4 sections, namely the content of the system, the interactivity of the system design, and overall system via QR code. 20 respondents participated to use and answer the questionnaires, and the results shown in the slide. Number 1. Content. The percentage of not agree is 5.53% and the percentage of agree is 94.47%. Number 2. Interactivity. The percentage of not agree is 5.03% and the percentage of agree 94.97%. Number 3. System design. The percentage of not agree is 9.1% while the agree is 93.9%. And the last one is overall system. The percentage of not agree is 9.1% and the agree 93.9%. So we are going to the last slide, which is conclusion. The food ordering system using QR code at restaurant is one of systems that be able help any restaurant worker to manage all the data with efficiently and systematically. Each of system developed has own advantage and disadvantage. The advantage of system will make it easier for company to find more customers after using this system. The weakness of this system need to be addressed to improve the system and to attract customers to make many orders without having any problem. With all of that, thank you, bye and assalamualaikum.